Hello guys, so welcome to another video. Today we will discuss about December 2025 Nifty 50 chart. So as you know, I always prefer a 5 minute start. So today the market is kind of a downturn market as yesterday. So there is not much more difference between yesterday and today. So seems like it continued the same way like it did last day. So it's a kind of a gap down candle that we get initially. So kind of a long bullish candle. So even though it opened at gap down, the buyers try to up the market like it shows in the chart. So it's kind of a long bullish candle at the beginning. Then market seems to get down until the end. Okay, so the market opened at 26,088 with a long bullish candle, then try to break the previous day low. It broke, but there comes the bears. They try to pull down. Then it also broke the previous day low from upside to downside. Then it's broke. Then after that, seems like market came down to S1. That's kind of an important level that is noted for the day, which is from pivot points. As you know, the indicators that I have used when you've seen my previous video. So it taking the support at S1. So once it broke the previous day low, it takes and reach the S1, which is this green line. So maybe there is a possibility to grab some points and buy a put option at the money option, like maybe 26,100 or maybe 26,000. That's make some good profit, but it's a kind of a danger only because at the time we didn't get any confirmation. Maybe some developers may use this opportunity and take some good risk also. So once it reached the support around 940, it tried to go up for long time, almost more than 2 hours or maybe 3 hours. It went like in sideways, and also seems like gradually it seems like going down also. So even though it looks like sideways, it's a kind of going downways only because bears are here dominating here in today. So kind of it trying to reach the support too as well. So as you can predict, I mean not predict, as you can understand, the bears are powerful. There is a possibility to it reach the next level, that is the this S2. So there is no levels in between that, like kind of CPR or S1 R1 or S2 or 3 and all. So once it breaks this S1, definitely there is possibility more to market to reach this S2. So maybe you can take the trade here in this candle and put the stop loss above this line. In that case, you see it definitely triggered this stop loss because once you predicted it to reach this level at the time around like 10, but it's not go went like we predicted, so it's go upwards alone. And maybe some people place the stop loss at 11 a.m because it's broke from down to up at this 11 5 minute candle, 11 a.m 5 minute candle. Then again bears dominate here and try to pull the market down. So once it got broke, you may have some idea it will reach here, but that is kind of I mean not an easy one because at this 10, 15 and 10, 20 candles only we can assume the bulls try to pull the market up. but once it reaches this S1 and try to break, even though it break the S1 from downside to up with this 11 a.m. 5 minutes candle, it try to bring down only. So you can take the trade maybe at 11:15 candle and again put the stop loss above this level and try to market to reach this S2. So if you take this risk means definitely you make some good profit. If you do means tell me in comment. So there is a three possibility to take the trade as per my indicators. Once that is here because it broke the previous day low from upside to down. So once it got broken, wait for that candle to close. Once it got closed, wait for next candle to open. So once it break down this 9:30 candles low means you can take the trade and put the stop loss here and make some profit until the end. There's a kind of a 1:1 ratio trade, but you can risk here because bears already dominated yesterday. You may have a chance they are also uh, more powerful today, so you can expect that it's not kind of 100% wrong, but you can expect. So you can take the trade at this candle. There is some good possibility at 9:35. So once it reaches that argument, immediately close the trade. Then again you may think like it will reach this S2 at this range like from 9:45 to 10:20, but the market didn't went like that, so it's tried to pull the market up. So definitely if some person take the trade at 9:45 candle means definitely they will trigger the stop loss because they may have the stop loss above this range, maybe around like 26,100. So definitely it will trigger the stop loss and they may came out because even I also think like that. So in trading you must take the risk and you must ready with taking the stop losses also. So after that I mean after the second trade that it hits stop loss, you may think like more than market even go down. So you may have something in mind like whether to wait or not. So in this case my suggestion is to not take trade because market went to upwards from this candle only from 10:15. So there is a chance to market go up when it reaches this level. So you can see almost for more than 20 minutes markets go up. So bulls are very powerful in this region. So some scalpers may take the trade at this 11:20, sorry 11:15 because 11:10 candle breaks the support one from above to down. So once it uh, reaches the broken candles low, you can have some buying the put option maybe at the money and put the stop loss here and make some profit until it reaches this candle's low because this is where buyers trying to pull the market up. So you can take the trade here and maybe wait the candle to reach this level and came out because you can notice when it reaches this candle's low, I mean the 10:15 candles low, there the markets again goes up. You see this 12 uh, p.m. candle. So when it reaches this 10:15 candles low, it again try to pull the market up. So better you can leave the trade at this 12 candle. Okay, and that will definitely make give you a good profit. So when it reaches above, you can wait for this level to broke down. So you see here in this candle area from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, both bulls and bears are dominating each other, not kind of seems like uh, bulls are dominating at that period or bears are dominating at the period. They're both equally dominated each other from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. So you may have some patience to wait for some time. From my understanding, some people may take the trade at 11:15 and put the stop loss above this level and wait for the market to reach the next support, because that is where you see a market went two times up and again goes down, then again it went up. So you can take the trade here and put the stop loss above. And if you are a risk taker, you can wait for the market to reach this S2. And if you are concerned about your thing means, definitely at the market time you may have some pressure to leave the trade at this 12 5 minutes candle, because that is where it went up. So this is how the market went today. So please note the important levels here, like the previous day low, support 1 and support 2 plays the important role. So yeah, so this is for today. It's a kind of a downtrend, opened a gap down, then again it tried to pull the market up. Okay, so please patiently wait for the opportunity to come to your side. So not like blindly take the trade when it's broken the level. So patiently wait for your time, and once you are confirming with your strategy means, definitely you can get into the trade and make sure you are having a stop loss. Also, when it reaches the level that you think that is good, make sure you exit the trade. So that's it, guys. Have a nice day. Thank you.